Good morning, Ralston Primary School. It's been another fantastic week. I've had loads and loads and loads of really good messages from your parents on Seesaw and from your teachers. You've been fantastic. So this is our celebration assembly for this week, and in this celebration assembly you will actually notice that your teachers have made a few more video comments, and also stick around till the very end to see which members of staff have also got a special mention from each other this week. Have a great week, guys. Bye bye.
Hi Mr Durkin, and hello everyone at Ralston Primary School. I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody in my Year 3 class because they have been absolutely fantastic this half term so far. I've already seen them progress fantastically and have shown a massive improvement in their confidence, so well done everyone in my class. My nominations for my Resilience Star this week goes to Lucy for settling in so well into our class. She's new to Ralston and she's been absolutely fantastic at settling into the new routines and showing fantastic confidence and being really brave joining in. So well done to Lucy. And my Home Learning Star goes to Kieran for showing an absolutely fantastic video explaining the journey of Hajj and also explaining what transparent, reflection, opaque and translucent means, and articulated himself so well. So really well done to Kieran, and keep it up everybody in Year 3 for the fantastic home learning they've been doing. Well done.
Others fluttered upwards like moths fumbling for light. Some looked like sparks vanishing amongst the touchwood of the leaves and twigs. Some fireworks raced up to the pitch black sky, scattering all over the village like a jackpot of stars zipping skywards.
Hi everyone. This week's Star of the Week goes to Kasha in my class. She's made a fantastic effort during maths. She's always got a hand up, always willing to participate and answer questions, and she's also produced some fantastic work. Well done, Kasha. Week's Homework Star of the Week goes to Abby. She has completed all of her homework to a super standard, and one of my favourite pieces was her mosaic of a Roman shield. So really well done to Abby.
This week goes to Aisha for some fantastic writing this week. She's written a brilliant story opening, and she's also done some fantastic work on Seesaw. Well done, Aisha.